Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How-Tos. In this video, I will show you how to remove green screen in CapCut. So this is actually pretty easy and a very fast one. So let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to open up your CapCut application. Now in our CapCut application, we want to actually create a new project just to show you how to quickly do this. So just click on new project. And from here, the first thing that you want to do is you want to actually edit or import your videos. So here I have this video of a dog here that has green screen on its back. And we also want to add our background that we want to add or replace it with. So here we have this donut here. So first thing is you want to add your background. So I want to add this donut and I want the dog to appear in front of that donut. So here I'm just gonna drag it here and make sure that I align this background here the same length on my dog. So if I actually don't align the dog or the length of the donut with the same length with the dog, it's going to look like it has a black background. Like here, as you can see, there's a black section here on my screen. So here you just want to extend this one and make sure that they are actually the same length. So once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you just want to click on the clip of the dog or the one that has the green screen on it. And from here, you'll be redirected into the video section here. So under video, you'll see basic, cut out, mask, and enhance. So here, you want to actually select the cut out option here. And from here, you want to select the chroma key option. And from here, you'll see the different tools that you could use. So we have the color picker. So here, just click on color picker and make sure that you actually select the green background for this one. So make sure you don't select the white section, just the green section of your green screen here. But sometimes green screen also have blue background, so sometimes it's called blue screen, but basically it's the same thing. You just want to select the color that you want to remove here. So we have green, and here you just want to adjust a few settings. So we have strength and shadow. So if you want to remove the background itself or the green color here, is you want to increase the strength for it. So make sure that you only add a little bit here because it's really strong. As you can see, just one increase on it's going to remove the whole section or light section of that green here. So you just want to slowly increase this one until you're satisfied. And from here, you also want to adjust the shadows. So if you want to add, like for example, just gonna add one just to tighten up this video here. And yeah, you could just adjust this to your heart's content until it looks good in your eyes. And from here, you could just basically adjust this one. So you could actually work on it like similarly like what you do on videos. You could resize this. You could even rotate this one if you want to. Go ahead and do that. And yeah. So this is how you actually remove a green screen CapCut, but I'm going to show you an actual other way for you to actually use this one, to use the cutout option here. So we also have the auto cutout version or option here. So when you actually select this one, it's going to actually process our video. It's going to remove everything on the background. So it's only going to retain the subject itself. So when we actually wait for it to finish, as you can see, only the dog is left here on our screen. So it's going to work for dogs, people, and other subjects. Yeah, it will work, but for like animations or animations with green screens, you have to use the chroma key. But for auto cutout, you could basically use this on any subject or living subject that you could use it on, and that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.